I'm getting those good vibrations. She's giving me excitation. I'm getting those good vibrations. She's giving me excitations. I'm getting those. Well, come on, dance. She's giving me excitations. Now you know what? You play. There's something about the Beach Boys, Tony.
Yeah.
And their music that separates them from the rest of the crowd, huh?
Yeah, it's either da 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 or da 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 da. No, really. When I was learning, Daryl taught me all the piano parts when I toured with him, because that's what I did. I played piano, and he said you only got to know two things: da 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 da. Play that, honey. Da,
it's
da, da,
not
da,
only
da.
da 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 da. It's how hard you beat it.
Yeah, you have to. Right. Or it's da 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 da.
It's a science, you know.
Yeah.
And you know, you got calluses here.
I
and
got
then
calluses and huge forearms from playing the Beach
So,
Boys. Really?
if you played the same thing, not that way, what it would be like? Play it. Play, see.
You're fired. That's how it worked. I had to audition for Carl. You know, Carl Wilson. He sat me there. He says, harder, harder. I says, what do you mean? I went to school for 20 years. Harder. You know.
So the harder you play Beach Boy, like the closer you are to the real thing.
Anybody
huh?
play piano here? You have to learn over again. That's basically what it is. You got to start.
The Beach Boys stomp.
Yeah, it's a whole new way of playing.
You two guys feel like doing some more for us?
We'd love to.
Captain and Tennille style. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, are you gonna play?
Yeah.
She's gonna play the piano. We got a first here. Okay, Tony.
Okay. This
Captain.
is written by Melissa Manchester and Carol Bear Sager.
Ladies and gentlemen, Captain and Tennille.
Well, hello there, good old friend of mine. You've been reaching for yourself for such a long, long time. There's so much to say, no need to explain. Just an open door for you to come in from the rain. It's a long, long road when you're all alone, and a man like you will always choose a long way home. There's no right or wrong. I'm not here to blame. I just want to be the one who keeps you from the rain, from the rain.
sing. Ladies and gentlemen, Tony Tennille. Unbelievable. Gal Dragon, we will return in a moment. Listen to this audience, Tony.